Hi there, this is Salman and you are watching Zettalysis. In this video I am going to show you how to repair the IMEI of this phone, and this is Vivo Y71, and I am going to show you that its IMEIs are damaged. So we can check just by dialing *#06#, and now we can see that all the IMEIs are changed to zeros, so it means that its IMEIs are damaged. So come to the Windows interface. So in order to repair its IMEI, we need the Miracle Thunder edition. So you can download and search on internet, as I already downloaded and it's on my desktop. So I am just opening it. Just double click or right click and run as administrator on this Miracle Thunder edition. It's 2.82, and when this opens, just click on any object here, like on read, and then press Ctrl+M on keyboard. So in this way the hidden IMEI repairing functions are now visible. So we have to now click on this IMEI switched on. Now at the same time we have to open the device manager. To open the device manager I am using Windows 11, so I am pressing Windows+X keys and then M for device manager, so that we can see that if our mobile is connected with a PC or not. So now come to the mobile interface now. From here in the dialer menu, dial *558#. Now come to this quality verification test. Now from here click on this debugging port. Now that's enough for this. Now in this Miracle Thunder, put its original IMEIs on this IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 field. I have written its original IMEIs in this text file, vivo Y67 IMEIs. So I am just copying these lines from here and pasting in this IMEI 1 field. I am again copying these lines, this IMEI from here, pasting it in IMEI 2. Click on this rebuild. We already clicked on IMEI switched on. Now just click on this start button and then just plug your USB in your mobile phone and wait for it. In the device manager you can see that okay, IMEI 1 is repaired, IMEI 2 is repaired. As we can double check in the dialer menu that it's still the IMEI is damaged. Now the operation is done in the Miracle. You can see that now we have only to reboot this phone to check. Now I am just rebooting this phone. So it is now rebooted. Now we can check the repaired IMEIs if it did its job done or not. So again by dialing *06#, and finally we had successfully repaired the IMEI of this Vivo Y67. I hope you got something new from this video, and if you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And just not only subscribe, ring the bell, so my friends, you will never miss any upcoming tips, tricks and advanced tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I will see you on my next. So until then, keep smiling.